All right. Today is December. About that? Hello? Hmm. All right. Today is December. Come out. I don't know. All right. Today is December 13, 2024. Oh, see, that's dope. Side to side. December 13th, 2024. Um. So I'm gonna go over just my mental thought yesterday, what I went through. I gave back 3/4 of my winnings for the months that I was for the weeks that probably a month or so. I was working out all in one day, which is horrible. So I gotta do better, much better. I shouldn't be giving back that much. So it did take a long time just to like physically and mentally work on building it up, even though it's small. But I was calculating it as if it was huge. So, this was reading 400 something. Now it's reading 100 something. So I get back that much, right? And I was calculating it as though I was trading 10% or 10 times or 100 times. So imagine this being 40,000 or 4,000, right? So now it's 1,000. So that's pretty insane, right? So what I did was that yesterday, right before I came back, yesterday, I went to the gym and I was dropping my mom off home, and she stated something that my brother said that I don't do nothing. I don't do anything when I'm at home when I said that I'm working. And maybe for her, she like she want to see results of what I'm doing. And it took time, and I was creating my results, right? But she said that that's what he said, and I brushed it off. I was like, whatever. He doesn't know what I'm doing. It's a joke. When the money started coming in, I'll tell him I just didn't do anything. So the day went by, and I was doing good. I took one trade, break even. Just watching the charts, looking for what I was looking for. I went for a snack, and then when I went to a snack in the kitchen, my brother was there, and some weird energy hopped into me. And then all of a sudden, I started moving quickly and with urgency, as if I needed to act like I was busy. And even he said, like, "Yo, what you rushing for? What you rushing for, right?" So I was busy, and I noticed it, but I never stopped to slow down to clear my mind. And then and then what's worse also is that he stayed in the living room the entire time, and my brain was just like, okay, I gotta be busy, I gotta do something, I gotta win. Not, but as I'm ignoring everything, the red selling candles, um, the RSI red arrows, the upper wicks, strong VIX, so many things saying that the market should go short that day, right? Um, Based on when I was trying to trade, and I traded in the morning, right? I traded in the morning, and then around 2 p.m. is when I started to still looking for longs, right? So I'm going to clear this, and this is gonna be just a naked chart, right? Because my bias for being long at the beginning was right, but then here we have a selling candle, right? Here we have a selling candle on the 15th, all right? We have a selling candle. Yeah, we have a buying candle here, strong buying candle here. I'll mark them, right? So I'm looking for buys, and I have levels buy, but we have a selling candle um, there, and we have another selling candle right here, right? I'm gonna mark them like how I just did that one like that, all right? We're still selling. There's no buying coming in, not a single ounce of buying, right? So who's in control? Sellers. This is the 15-minute chart, right? Who's in control? Sellers. Sellers are in control, right? Another selling candle right here. No buying has stepped in at all whatsoever. Yes, we have white candles, but I'm trying to go long in here. Selling candle all the way until end of day. Even this white candle is a selling candle. Selling candle, right? Boom, right? No buying stepped in here whatsoever. Go to the 30 minute. I'll just go over one. I should be in the 30-minute. No. Go to the 30-minute here. At 2 o'clock, right? With us coming in. So we have buying, buying. Set. Yes, we had buying down here, but what's currently the mood of the market is to sell. We're selling into it. Buyers did not step in. No buying here. So both 15 and 30 saying that look, I should be looking for shorts until buyers show themselves. Kind of like this, right? Buyers show themselves, okay, and we bounce. Buyers shows themselves, right? Price came in and it broke through it. There's no buying here. No buying there. Right? Go to the 15-minute. Right? Buyers showed themselves. We destroyed it. And then buyers came up. Right? So now we come here, maybe one trade if it lines up. Maybe one trade. Maybe. Here, opportunity to buy, right? Because this is a buying candle. So whatever is here, I could probably find something in here to say that I should have bought, right? Now let's go to the 5-minute chart. Go to the 5-minute chart. All right, here we have all of this here. All right, so we have that. Price comes down. Nothing really saying I should buy. Now, I did buy, I think I bought in this candle here. This was the only one. And then price failed. And then I kept looking for longs. I kept looking for longs. I kept looking for longs. And price gets dagging me through. Right? Price fell. Oh shit. This is the only opportunity we had. We had this 15-minute there. Somewhere, one of these two. Right? I think it was this one here. It failed. Okay. Did it work out? All right, boom. We're in definitely the reversal of it. So opportunity here, opportunity here, opportunity at the end of the day, right? To go short. We also had this level here, but more so, more importantly, we go to the 1-minute. We'll see that we created a slew of selling that never got reclaimed. Right here, it got reclaimed, tested, made a double bottom, and go here. Right, I think I tried to enter around here. Right, I try to hold this. Not gonna lie. Okay, it makes sense. Bounced up. I took a little bit of ride, and then it took me out, and it crashed below it. Right now, we are in a buying territory, but there's no buying popping up. And then I said, okay, we need to get above this, but I kept buying below it, knowing that we needed to get below above it. I kept buying below. I bought everything here. In a sense, was just me buying this entire row just for it to fail each time. That was me, the entire row. And then at the end of the day, it just crashed, and that's what happened. So that conversation with my mom, then seeing my brother, all of that created this catastrophic wave of losses. And This is the first time I can recall taking so many trades in a session. I think it's been over a month. It did not serve me well. I usually done within 3 trades, 4 maybe, but I haven't taken 7 trades, almost 10 trades in a day. Right, I haven't done that in a long time. And if we go to my performance for that day, this is it. 313 bucks negative, right? So respectfully, and I was just sizing up each time. These are five contracts, and this one here didn't need that. Didn't All of these could have been avoided if I traded this one and then I said, okay, 1, 2, 3, maybe. Yeah, this would have been it right here. So let's calculate this here. We have hold on. 25 plus 23.75 plus 18.5 plus 16.5 plus 20. All right, so even because I really was fucking up right here. Um, I should have been done with this trade. This trade I should have been done with. All right, 25 plus 23.75 minus 2.50. So this would have been it for the day, right? So negative $462 or $4,000. Perfect. what, negative $30,000, $31,000, negative 3,100. That's ridiculous. Never should have ever gone there. Ever, 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 ever. Um, down 4,000. Yeah. Down 400. Yeah. Down 30,000. Fucking ridiculous. Right? So, but psychologically, I was going through a psychological warfare. I felt it, me running around, moving, trying to go fast, trying to move, act like I needed to be urgent, needed to be fast, needed to be quick. Really screwed up my equity curve. So my trading now was going up slowly like this, and then bam, it took a hit. Right, we'll probably see what it looks like. Let me go to Top Step and see if it shows that. Right, and then that's, so I had to take the time. I've been mauling this thing over all day. Not even gonna lie, I've been mauling it over all day, and I just wanted to see what was going on. And I took like from 4 to like 10 p.m., 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6 hours later, I was able to gather myself. I watched anime, I just ate, I slept, I just could not function. And I added to a loser. Kind of like what this thing say. All right, I didn't really add to losers, but yeah. So here goes a nice, nice, nice curve, and then bam. All right, that's the last 10 days. Let's do last 30 days. So yeah, so nice steady grind up. Right, it's not a big grind, and then bam, almost right back to break even or entry, right? Which is not, we don't want that. I want to see this keep rising. And it was rising very nicely every single day, right? Small little wins consistently. And some losses there, but no, I think here I got it back above, right? 473, 440. Well, not close to, right? Um, my brain can't function well like that. Let's bring in um, this thing here, sure. All right. Um, okay, there it is. So yeah, so that was the peak. All right, 473, and I got it up to 440. So I was like, slowly getting back to where I needed to be. So what is that? 70, 33 points away back to my last peak. And just taking it slowly. So right now, what I got to do is just take it even slower. I'm going to continue going back to one micro, following those rules, understanding that what I need to look for on my things. Yes, I can say, oh look, the long position I wanted worked out. This thing I was looking for doesn't matter. During this time when I was trying to trade, I was going against the trend. If we go to look at it now, if we go to those time frame, let's go to 15 minute, right? Where after it on daggered me out, and like I said, I knew longs were likely to happen. I had a great feeling that it would happen. The thing was when, but it wasn't gonna happen at the time I wanted it to happen, right? As you can see, even though we moved up, we had to get back above some of these losses here, some of these longs, these reds. We're finally above it, right? Because this here, rejection point, we rejected. Look at that, rejection point. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that if I go to a lower time frame, I will find um I will find something here that helps bring this price back down, right? Even though it goes down to a smaller area, but I can find something. Let's go to the 30-minute real quickly. Lots right here. Price is going up. Yep, something here to help bring that down. Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's see how strong the 5-minute volume is. So we don't have nothing there. So um, this was the buy, the last sell. All right, let's go to the 1-minute and let's find that thing. Here it is. That's the one that we couldn't get above. Bam. Right? Bam. That area we can see that price pushed away from. Put it up like this. Like I said, we'll find something to help aid with that. Go back to the 5-minute. And then the thing that I was ignoring the whole time, which was trend lines. Boom, boom, right? And then now see how we're above this? Now I can look for longs above this marker. Now I can look for longs. Here we broke. Look at that. Now I can go long above it. Not fucking below it the whole damn time. Above it. Right? Here, right? Above. Got above. Now I can look for longs. Above it. Above the freaking markers. Now I can look for longs. Right? Now I can look for longs. Coming back into it. Now the longs are in place. I know this is taking long. I ain't even set up my charts yet, but now the longs are in play. Right? Now the longs are in play. Even though we gapped up, but this is what I mean. Shorts are in play up here because of the 1 minute. We come up, oh, we broke. Okay. Then we go down towards this area and we just navigate it. All right. Probably gonna go to the 1 minute because it's a 1 minute level, so you can find anything. And as you can see, we have first initial drop, and then okay, going below it, boom, below it. Right. This might be too anxious, but it works here. And then if that doesn't work, then you have to stay out of it. Right. Buy. Gotta get below this buy. Gotta go get below this buy. Got below it. Yep. Now I can look for a long. Gotta pull back. And then here we go. All right. Boom. Bam. All right. Stop loss right above this. Let price do its thing. All right. Boom. I know it's not a lot, but it's the R multiple. This is 4. This is 2 to 1. Boom. 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 Right. Volume. 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 All right. And that's it. All right. And that's it. All right, and then we go back to it. We can see that, well, price now got above this. Well, now this is the long area. This here, my new long spot. Price got above this, right? Price cleared all of that. Boom, long, bam. All right, cool. Maybe now I can say, okay, continuation or double bottom or absorption, whatever you want to call it. This is definitely double bottom. Stop loss there. Let price go. You get rid of that first one, all right? And then we're aiming for this high right here. All right, aiming for this high right here. Get rid of that. And to the freaking tick. Boop. All right, and it drop. Then eventually, it dominates it. So, yeah, that's all my fault. All my fault. All my fault. Because I let a conversation get bigger than it needed to be, and I was winning. I was winning as far as the mental game here, but I was this trading game here, but I lost the mental game because I allowed that to take place. So I'm gonna go set up my charts. I'm gonna do everything like I usually do. I'm gonna clear my head, set up my charts, set them just the way I've always been doing them. Nothing's gonna be different. I know I have a few minutes before the market opens. Um, so let's get to it. I'll do the clock. All right, so let's get to it. Um, what is the market telling me? What is the market telling me? That's what I kept telling myself every single day. What is the market trying to tell me that it's trying to do? All right, but I always worried about, like I said, uh, what that small conversation becoming big. Because I'm like, why am I not there yet? Why am I not, you know, at a million or a billion or $1 trillion? So just wanted to get that out the way. I'm glad that, like I said, the longs worked out. They worked overnight, not during my session, but they still worked out. But like I said, I'm upset that I allowed that to really get to me. And just a normal day to day conversation of just nothing. Oh, so and so said this. Oh, okay, whatever. And then seeing the person shifted everything else. It's crazy, right? But I can't ignore those small those small things. All right, this is the actual true end day. It's a lot of volume right there. I'm definitely gonna mark that. Let's do that low there. Let's grab this. I like to see price come down right down to this bad boy right here. All right, so we're rising. We never came down to that CPI level. I think we will. I think we will. Usually do touch. We touch our news levels. We usually don't ignore them. Let's throw a settlement price into the mix. So, said, I don't know if I'll trade one contract or three contracts. I'm gonna go based off of how good the setup looks. That's pretty much it. The setup looks very good, and I think the risk is point. I'm gonna go into it, but right now, just one contract. Um, we can see that we've been going in and out. We're inside of Wednesday's level, so I don't really need to go and look, but I do it anyways. All right, we're inside the level, so there's no volume that pushed us out. 4 hours. Let's see. Buying's up there that failed. Selling came, absorbed. So I expect some selling again up here. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Nice push up, no volume. All right, so that's good. Strong sell up here. Right here is something important right there. Yep. I definitely would like to see price reject this area. 30-minute. Price is moving up towards it. Strong volume right here. The 30-minute. All right, I'm gonna move a little faster because I don't lose a little bit more of my internet data than my little rant. I do like the strong buying here, so I am in a strong buying bias. Not gonna lie, on the 15-minute, yeah, strong buying bias. All right, so we're gonna mark this back here. Nope, we're not. Cleared it. Okay. All right, whatever's. All right, so I'm not seeing anything that I can really work with. Sheesh. 30-minute. Do, 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 do. Do we have news? No, not really. Boy, no news. This is an ugly ass day so far. Okay. Hmm. Back to the 15. We have all of this. I'm gonna mark this here. 15-minute block. Zoom out. What the heck? But buying is very strong on the 15. This area here. Maybe we'll bounce and move up higher. Um, don't know what the heck I'm looking at. Go to the 1 minute. From 1 minute to 5 minutes. Clear that, clear that, clear that, clear that. 5 minute right there. Alright, so let's grab this. And let's put you down here. Let's do the 5 minute. Alright. But I'm still serious about when the money start rolling in. I didn't do nothing. I was really much, you guys expect that I didn't do not a damn thing, and I'm gonna stick to it. Let's go to the 15-minute. Strong volume right here. Yeah, this here, we touch that. I expect price to jump like it's stepping on the pitchfork. All right, some strong volume right here. Very, very strong. I want to see price bounce off of this. Uh, 5 minute. We're way down here with it with the 5 minute. I want to see. I want to see something that says, "Yep, price is definitely going to bounce." All right. 1 minute. Zoom out. Floodgate bounce. Came back to settlement. Right, held settlement price. So that's what we were getting at. Right, I don't have anything down here to say buy. Nothing here. This one though. So I'm going to respect that little 1 minute because those 1 minute ones they have been serving their purposes. They have. As you saw yesterday, I thought like, yeah, no, it's just a 1 minute. It's not gonna hold us back. Held us the hell back. Got my feelings hurt badly. Right. So I like these. Right. Strong selling and then buying just absorb. Bam. Came back to it. Selling volume absorb. Right. Selling volume into it and absorption are good reversal trades that I've seen. The other one I took yesterday, it was just a buy volume coming out of it. That was dumb. It was weak. And it's here, very clusterly, but buying definitely. It's the 60, 76, or 74 area right here. Buying level right here. This one here, major buying, major buying, major buying. So nothing to sell yet unless the volume changes direction. That's all. All right, once you get below this, I would like to see price go down to 47 CPI. That's pretty much what I'm looking for right now. Go to the 5 minute chart. We do have a nice trend line. Let's see if I can find a better way to market, but I don't think I can. Price look, I'll probably be forcing it, and I'm not gonna force that at all. I'm just gonna let this be until we move a little higher and reject. I like to see price come up and reject and come back down to here. So this is about a 10-point move. So even if it's one micro or two or three or four or five, that's when I can actually trade. That'll be that. Let's go to hold on. Let's do the highs and the lows of yesterday. I got the low, so let's do the high. High should be somewhere. The high is here. Oh, the high has a lot of things to go through. So, boom. All right. It felt good actually venting. I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely like to see some strong rejections up here. If we blow through this, then we blow through it. But this here has a lot of potential rejection zones, liquidity, a lot of things going on up here that I would like to see. This looks like it's a liquidity zone right here. So price push up, trap buyers, and push them straight back down. I'd love that. I'd probably add size to it. Um, you know, boom, 12 points, 12 to 15 points. Okay, or if we bounce here, I like to see price really just go up to this area, right, and get the whatever liquidity that might be up here, right? All right, so we're done with ES for now. Let's go to NQ. Let's whoa, what the blood? So NQ bounce. All right, bounce right off of that 5 minute. Wow, damn, it did that in a day. Sheesh, I was blind to everything. Look how nicely this price came down to this level here, right? Gave me all of that, bum, 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 pushed up, cleared it, came back down, and then gapped up. Pause and then gapped up. All right, so um, just gonna delete things, but they're no longer of benefits to me. We have a new high of day. Price has just been reaping, ripping higher. Let's find yesterday's high, which is right here. Yesterday's low, which is right there. All right, zoom out. Let's get settlement price. All right. Strong buying here. We cleared all of that. Okay. Let's go back to the 30. Let's go 1 hour. Let's go daily. I did say that price looked like it wasn't going to go anywhere, but low light price is going somewhere. Bounce off of that. full hour of volume. 1 hour, rarely anything. It's a little volume right here. Uh, get rid of this. I'll mark this just to mark it. I'll take a look at it in a bit. 30 minutes. Definitely marking that one. Buying came in. See buy on both sides. Let's go to the. There's no end of day volume on the 30 minute. That's insane. There's no end of day volume on the 30 minute. Nothing there. All right, 15 minute. And then we have end of day volume on the 15 minute. All right. Uh, let's let's take this, move it like that, and go back to the 30. Make sure I didn't miss anything up there. Oh, look at that! You missed something up there. You missed all of these. Just ignoring it. Boom. All right. Let's do that. Here. 30 minutes. All right. That's a high node area. We also have 30 minutes at the bottom. Has yet to create my demand zone. Right now, it's also trying to create my supply zone. Okay, 15 minute. Zoom out. Like that. All right, so got that. Zoom out. So all of this is buying pressure right here. All right, we got the 15 minute. I'm gonna see if we can clear it. All right, we got that. Let's zoom out. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. I did the lows and the highs already. All right, let's go to the 5 minute. My Rockstar time frame. Nothing here to help any of this. All right. Okay. Strong volume is here on the 5 minute. So this was 15 minute. And this is 5 minute. The only area where I'll be looking for RSIs to pop and appear themselves. Get rid of that one there. I'll leave it. Bounce off of it. Bye bye bye. Selling off. 15 minute and 30 minutes are important. There, 1 minute. Clear just about all of that. Cleared that. So can't really say that. Oh, look at that. Right here. The 1 minute bias. So let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. Do this over here. Bam. All right. All right. Boom. Okay. We do have a 1 minute block right here that held price up. So this buying right here in this 1 minute. We kind of cleared it, but not really. I'm gonna leave it anyways. And we also got another one down here. We cleared that one. We kind of held it. It's kind of awkward. Mark it anyways. No, we cleared it. Zoom out. I want to have less problems and more price going in my direction or going in a direction without having to like think about did it clear or not. All right, so all right, so these are the levels I got. Let's go into VIX, and I'm gonna step away for a bit. VIX, let's find the high and low of VIX. Low up here, high up there, low down there, man, high up here. All right, essentially it. I don't have anything else for VIX. All right, so we have buy, strong, sell. So this is a selling area. Selling area. Let's go into, oh, look at that. Yeah, all right. So let's go back to ES and let's clarify some of the ES things. All right. This is ES. I don't see anything there. So it looks like the 15-minute is where we started off from. All right, the 15-minute. That very tight range. Maybe that's why I didn't even want to mark it. The range is tight. But these are the areas that we need to get above or below. They're always important. Especially yesterday, it really showed that. Especially when if I end up having days or episodes like that, it's always important to see that. I don't have anything else. All right, just the 15-minute. That's why. All right, so bring us back to VIX. As you can see that this is what we're working with. Strong sell up there. All right, and then this confirms it. All right, sell, buy. That's not what I'm looking for. This doesn't work. I want to see a buy and then sell. These don't help at all. All right, so that's it for me for today. I probably went a little over with time. Yeah, 7 minutes over. It's about. All right, so catch you on the flip side. And we'll see how things go.